How are you guys doing? This is Math Made Easy, but today we don't have the math sheets. Do not have the pencil. I didn't actually throw it across the room. I wouldn't do that to one of my precious pencils. We have the cube. Now, a lot of people are like, oh my gosh, you're so smart. You must be able to solve a Rubik's Cube. And previously, I was like, no. I mean, it's kind of a stereotype about nerds, okay, that they can solve Rubik's Cubes. I mean, and I get it. Because I think it's pretty lit to be able to cube, you know? So here is a cube. And today we are going to be covering a topic that many cubers are not that fond of, actually. And it is known as the Y-PERM. So what is a Y-PERM? It's basically, I mean, like some people know it as the Y-PERM. Usually 3x3ers know it as the Y-PERM, right? And it's basically when you have a diagonal corner swap. So I'm just preparing one real quick. So basically like this. So this is, of course, the orange and blue corner should be here. Red and green corner should be here. Swap these two corners around, but you still gotta, not disturb anything else, which is pretty hard. And it takes a lot of moves. Some people use a 20 moves, which is just a double T-perm. Some people use a 3x3 Y-perm, 17 moves. But this one is 11 moves. And it works every time. So I like to see consistency. So put this unsolved corner on the right upper corner facing you. And you're going to perform R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F2, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, F. Oh, sorry, that was supposed to be a U earlier, and then, of course, F2. That's the thing. I will put the algorithm in the description. Try it a few more times. It should also work in reverse, right? When I put it on a scrambled cube, I'm going to perform R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F2, U prime, R, and then U, R prime, U, and then F2. And we do end up in this diagonal corner swap. So how can I really express this algorithm? Well, if you think about it, those of you who know, probably most 2x2ers, but 3x3ers definitely will know, kind of R, U, R prime, U prime. Excuse me. And that's kind of a famous kind of thing, can do a lot for you. What I just think of it as is that sequence of moves, but all of the U's are prime, then an F2 move, then a U prime again, and then that sequence of moves, but all of the U's are regular U's, not U primes. So that basically makes it only 5 details to remember, or 6 really. But this one, literally, when I found out about it, I had it in the good old head, I don't know, maybe 20 minutes max. Could do it pretty good. So just to recap, here is our U prime, R prime, U prime, F2, U prime, R, U, R prime, U, and then F2, and that's the solve. So hopefully that will help you, especially with the ORTEGA method, because that's the method I currently use for 2x2. I'm not that great yet, but working on it. Yeah, leave a like if you want to see more cubing videos. This is the easiest Y-PERM out there, according to me. So, click the bell. What can I say? Have a nice day.